Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I have a new watch by Daniel Wellington that I want to unbox in front of you. Then I have a brand new jewelry from Daniel Wellington that of course I will be showing you. And then of course I have to tell you, and this is the best part, that I will be telling you guys about the festive offers that are running on Daniel Wellington's website. So if you're up for it, then keep on watching this video. First of all, Daniel Wellington is one of my most favorite brands when it comes to watches, accessories. By accessories, I mean their jewelry, their sunglasses and all of that. And this season in particular is my favorite because this is a festive season and they run really cool offers, a lot of discounts and all of that. So probably this is the best time for you to shop for all the Daniel Wellington products. So right now they have really amazing offers that you can avail to purchase your favorite gift for yourself or for your loved ones for Christmas, for New Year's and whatnot. They have up to 30% off on full assortment and you can avail additional 15% off on their website if you use my coupon code, which is sanarab.15, also on the screen for you, also in the description box for you. Do not forget to use the coupon code because 15% is a lot of discount on Daniel Wellington. And what to say about Daniel Wellington products? Very minimal but yet out there, very sophisticated, very elegant, very understated, and something that you can wear for all the occasions. And trust me when I say this, that they make the perfect presents for people you love and for yourself as well. You just cannot go wrong with a Daniel Wellington watch or an accessory. So let me just quickly get started with some of the offers. I will also put it on the screen, so I'm going to read it from here because I don't remember. So if you spend 7,699, you will get 10% off. Then on a purchase of 13,399, you will get 20% off. And on purchase of 15,499, you'll get 30% off. And on all these purchases, you can avail additional 15% off if you use my coupon code sanarab.15. With all that being said, let's quickly get started with my first thing. And yes, if you've been following this channel, you will probably notice that this watch is actually a repeat purchase, and the reason is because I have purchased this as a gift for my sister this time. So let's talk about the packaging first. It's a beautiful matte color packaging with Daniel Wellington lettering over here. You remove this outer cover and then you have this beautiful box. It's a very sturdy box. You can use it to store your watch of course, but you can also repurpose it. So when I open this box, we have this really beautiful watch. This watch is called as Quadro Pressed Melrose watch and it's a beautiful rose gold color watch. I'll come to the watch, but before that I'm going to show you what all is in there inside this box. So underneath the watch there is an envelope. When you take this out, inside this envelope you have this user's guide and warranty. It has everything mentioned inside of it as to how you have to take care of the watch, the warranty card and all of that. And then it comes with a tool. So there's this small little tool with which you can adjust the strap of this watch, and maybe yes, you can also change the strap of this watch. There are a lot of straps available on Daniel Wellington's website. It's a beautiful rose gold color watch and the dial inside is green color. The dial is 20 by 26 mm in rose gold and this watch comes in just one size. Then this is crafted with polished stainless steel and this is available in refined rose gold plating and vibrant silver finish. There are different dial color options as well, so you can purchase it in a very beautiful green color. Then they have a very pretty black color and a white color as well. Trust me when I say this, that not only for the festive season, but I've also lounged around in this beautiful watch. I don't really need to overthink about how I have to dress up. A nice beautiful sweater like this one for the Christmas, and this watch goes perfectly well with this particular sweater. I'll remove the tag of it and I'm going to wear and show it to you guys. You can adjust this clasp using that tool. So I have already adjusted it and it's a beautiful watch to wear. It's very sleek and simple. I'm going to show you how it looks when it is layered with a beautiful bracelet by Daniel Wellington. This is a very nice bracelet and so beautiful, where there are two rings that are intertwined and it looks just so beautiful. Layering really looks very beautiful. There are a lot of bracelets on Daniel Wellington websites that you can check. I also have their classic bracelets that I think I got 1 or 2 years back, but this one I really like in particular because this is very dainty and it goes with just about anything and everything, and it's very beautiful, but it is also very durable. If you're worried ki it's a very chota sa piece and it's very delicate, it looks very delicate, but it is actually very durable. They are like really good quality stainless steel they have used, and it has small little crystals also studded in this one, so it's really beautiful with DW embossed. So I have done a detailed review of this one as well. I'm going to leave a link of this bracelet as well in the description box below for a detailed review. But for this Christmas I'm really sorted with this watch and this bracelet. For another jewelry, I have to show you this beautiful necklace that I got. This is this beautiful necklace, and this is called as elevation necklace. This is a very delicate pendant version of the geometric inspired elevation ring, and it is laced through a sleek cable chain, so it looks very pretty, and it has like 3 rings joined together, and the center ring has Daniel Wellington embossed, so it's really pretty. This one is in a rose gold version. This necklace is actually an everyday as well as a festive piece that would instantly elevate your look to new heights. This is crafted with stainless steel, and it is available in refined rose gold plating and in a vibrant silver finish as well, so you can go for whichever you like. I really like golds and rose golds in general, so I went for this one, and it matches with all my watches and earrings and all of that. So this is the necklace, and it is such a beautiful necklace. This is what it looks like, guys. The length is also perfectly appropriate. This is what it looks like, guys, and it stays like this. It's so beautiful, and I'm so happy with this purchase of mine. I would totally recommend Daniel Wellington watches and their accessories as presents for yourself or your loved ones. And they also have other necklaces on their website. You can go ahead and totally check it out because this is the sale season and they have a lot of festive offers going on. Probably this is the best time to actually purchase all the things that you've always wanted to buy from Daniel Wellington. This is my complete festive look, guys. Beautiful watch with an amazing bracelet and a matching necklace, and it looks so amazing. So let me know what you think about it, and let me know which is your favorite piece by Daniel Wellington. I'll leave the link of all of these pieces in the description box below just in case if you want to check it out. I'm going to leave the offers and other details as well in the description box below for your convenience. So that is it in this video of mine, guys. I really hope that you found this video useful, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself, and I love you all so much. Bye, guys.